Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen. In the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we're scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat. And you will click as you see. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of Snapchat. Then if you find update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.